The W3PL is the up-to-date multi-role combat support helicopter. It has been designed for missions in three basic configurations: utility for troop or cargo transport, combat search and rescue, and combat with a variety of available weapon systems. The helicopter integrated avionics system helps the aircrew to carry out all missions. The system is complemented with the head-up display sight and observation and targeting system equipped with a daylight TV camera, FLIR camera and laser rangefinder. This allows for much faster target identification and destruction from long distance. The self-protection system incorporates composite cockpit armor that provides protection from 7.62mm caliber rounds, decoy system to misguide missiles with infrared seekers and FLIR and chaff dispensers. Due to a large cargo space, the W3PL is a versatile helicopter. It can transport cargo or 10 troops to the immediate vicinity of combat area and at the same time support the troops with fire. In a very short time, the helicopter can be converted to carry out search and rescue missions. The helicopter cabin has been provided with a variety of medical equipment to save and support lives. For rescue missions in difficult terrain with no place to land, the helicopter is equipped with electrical rescue hoist of more than 270 kilograms capacity. For night operations, the helicopter is equipped with a searchlight provided with infrared filter, enabling search operations using the observation system FLIR camera and night vision goggles. The W3PL helicopter has a wide range of available weapons. Under the nose there is a turret provided with a 12.7mm gun. On side supports, the helicopter carries surface mine laying dispensers, bomblet dispensers and smoke generator. To fight flying targets, the helicopter is equipped with guided missile launchers. The W3PL carries also two suspended 23mm cannon stations. Also, the helicopter is equipped with non-guided 57mm and 80mm rocket launchers. Due to innovative solutions, integration of many systems and pieces of equipment, and capability to perform various missions, troop transportation, search and rescue and combat, the W3PL is considered as a modern multi-role combat support helicopter.